right, y'all. So everything has been dry fitted, and now I'm about to uh, add my pipe glue and make it official. All right. So set it up here, make sure y'all can see everything. I really want my brother Brown Town to check this out. He is the baddest maintenance man in town, and he had started to troll me. We actually really good friends. We used to work with each other a long time ago. He's an excellent friend, excellent brother. All right. So we want to start off by adding our blue glue here. Add it to this coupling and add it to my fixture there. Set it up there real nice. And this needs some tightening. I'll tighten it. And then just start going down the line with the puzzle. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Outside of there. This stuff smells really strong, so I'm trying to do it fast as I can, so catch no contact. But we're running the plumbing instead of going across the floor. We're running it along the wall. You can't have any trip objects in the meat department, or any department for that matter, but definitely not here. A lot of sharp objects going on. Okay, that looks good. Very nice, very nice. All right, I'm just moving on down the line.
Well, it wasn't good enough for pictures, is what I gathered just now.
Okay.
He will be back Monday. Now, this is what Devin always tells us. We are the face of the market. I am not supposed to be dressed the way I am. I am supposed to look professional.
I see, I see.
That means dress your best. Yeah, I always tell the ladies to do their hair and makeup because there will be pictures.
You know it was that famous.
So if you're on the road from anything, have a low profile on it.
What I'm doing here on this end.
Okay, let's see what we have. Trying to make these out a little bigger.
Mm-hmm. That's that way.
I tell you what it is.
They didn't want us to open.
It's because you ran her boyfriend off.
That guy, it was two Russians who came looking for him.
Oh, really?
He had taken a picture by the sewage plant or whatever
Uh-huh.
on the road. And two Russian
Oh,
guys.
just like on TV when they go, don't be doing that, because.
So two Russian guys, I was working in the meat department, showed up, showed me a picture by the reclamation down here. They said, where is this? I said, oh, Well, that looks like right down the road. And they like, do you know where this guy is? So for 2 days, those Russians kept showing up. I think they were looking for Sergio. Whatever the hell.
Just because he was a good guy, or do you think he owed him money or something? I mean, was it that kind of?
It looked like they were looking for him. And I told Bianca, your boyfriend's the only Russian I know in town, and he disappeared after that.
Right.
But she's still dating him.
She's still dating him,
Oh, yeah.
but he's not.
They've been together 15 years.
But he's not from here. I mean, he's not around here anymore. I don't think.
I need a bigger screw.
Russians and shit. It's all like whole lot going on in this little town.